Okay, I'm back again. I'm gonna make a double upload since I didn't post last Wednesday because the parts had to come in. If you want a little more detail about why I was late, in the other video, I put it in the description. But yeah, I went ahead, I put his nice tie on, put his vest, which is actually very nice, very expensive, which I really like because I really wanted a nice material for the new characters. So this is a dress button up for like dressing up and all that, and then this is a dress vest, and then this is just a pretty expensive bow tie that I had. So it's like a $40 bow tie, so it's quite expensive, but I mean you could really use anything that you have. But yeah, then here's a little clue of what he's going to become. I'm just gonna give this as a clue. It's a tail and it can go like this. So I mean, if you can know, you might be able to guess what type of character this guy is. And another thing that we're trying to work on better is I might actually paint these, but I might put like a coat on them so it's like nice. And then that's just vinyl. You can get vinyl wrap. It's like $8. It's not that expensive for it. I went ahead, I aired him up, and we're gonna test him and see how good he works.